Welcome to Mr. Mitsubishi YouTube channel. Covers a lot of Mitsubishi stuff and a lot of Eclipse Cross, Outlander, RVR, you name it, everything's there. If you're new to this video, feel free to browse the channel. Lots of good content there. Today we will have a look at this. It's a brand new 2023 Eclipse Cross ES trim level. So this is where it all starts. I think it's a fantastic value when it comes to overall SUV purchase. A lot of people just want to go entry level base vehicle, no other options, just to keep the costs low. And to be honest, these days the vehicles come so well equipped that very often there's not much needed add on top of what the base trim level will come. So this one here, on top of how it comes from the factory, we put a couple accessories on that we're going to review as well. So hood emblem, side moldings and door sills, and we'll also check out the exterior, the interior and the trunk space on this Eclipse Cross in this video. So now let's check out the exterior of it. So the side view excuse me, the side view, I really like it a lot because the base model doesn't differ all that much from upper models, and this one here, you have nice chrome, you have nice two-tone wheels. Let's have a closer look. So you have this machine aluminum with the black, and together, this machine aluminum part matches really well with the chrome around the windows, and then the black part is matches really well with the side molding and these Eclipse Cross lettering, chrome lettering. It just finishes off the side view really nice. And now let's check out the exterior. Looks really nice. The front, of course, very good with dynamic shield chrome and everything else, and this middle part with plastic cover, so it's not glossy, anything like that. So that's where it becomes glossy when you move up a trim level. But this front really finishes off nicely with Eclipse Cross lettering on the hood. I like that a lot. And then the 3 diamond emblem stands out a lot as well. So it's a very good finishing with this hood emblem, and overall matches the vehicle really nicely. The side view, same thing as we saw in just a second ago. The hood, the side molding looks very good, matches together with wheels and the other chrome parts we have going on the vehicle. The rear view, there's no accessories we put on, but again, this one does not have a body colored bumper like the top model would have, but it looks very good regardless, because you have these wheel wells plastic and you have these side skirts plastic. It finishes off the entire vehicle. On some vehicles, entry levels, you'll have everything body colored and then the bumpers are going to be plastic, then it does not look good. In Eclipse Cross, this actually looks good. And nice Eclipse Cross lettering. This comes from the factory already. That's how it looks. Pretty cool. Even the spoiler right here, it's body color painted, and that looks quite nice. So now it's time to check out the interior. Now let's open the door and check out the interior. Now, first thing that pops out, this is one of the accessories we put on as well. Eclipse Cross door sill looks very good, has this nice lettering, this nice red line right here, and it has this carbon fiber looks. I like it a lot. So now obviously when you look at the vehicle, so there's a cloth interior, just the regular steering wheel. One thing that I am missing though on the entry level, you don't have leather wrapped steering wheel, and to me this is the only giveaway about the car that it's a base vehicle, is the steering wheel. Other than that, you couldn't really tell if you're in a base model, mid-trim and whatnot, because here, it's all nice and glossy and whatnot, so the layout looks good. Vehicle has nice large screen, it has Apple CarPlay in it, it has a very nice amount of good options, right? So the other thing is kind of giveaway that you have just a regular e-brake. You don't have one of those don't have one of those e-brakes, but it's just a regular parking brake. It's kind of a little bit clunky looking, but suits the vehicle because it is SUV after all. So that's how the interior looks. Now let's have a look at the second row, see how the view is from the second row, so to speak, and then we'll check out the trunk space. So there we go, we're in second row. Good headroom because these here can be adjusted separately. You have the 60-40 split. You can recline if you want to, if you're a taller person, so you can find easily a good seating position here. So, and this is how the interior looks. There's not much change between 22, 23, basically both the same. But this time around, what's new, we started to equip these cars with these small accessories that make big visual difference, and your base vehicle all of a sudden doesn't look base at all. So now let's check out the trunk space. And let's open up the trunk. Manual open, manual close, not much to it. So this is how the trunk looks like. It's fairly spacious. You have here underneath is the spare tires, so you can't really put anything there, but you have little pockets here, and then the seats, they can be folded down flat or almost flat. So that just is clipping against the driver's seat, that's why it's not flat. But if you do fold them down like this, you know, it's spacious. I think you can even put a fridge or appliance in it, because this opening here is quite big and it goes deep as well. And even if those seats are flipped up, you still have a lot of room in there. So when it comes to roominess for this Eclipse Cross, not an issue at all. So there we go. We just looked at this 2023 base ES Eclipse Cross. Comes with all-wheel drive, 10-year warranty. Very good deal if you ask me. Plus visually it doesn't look like base vehicle at all, especially after we added some accessories on it. So thank you so much for watching the video, and see you in the next videos.